Welcome to Farhat Lectures, where education meets innovation and motivation. Today, I am excited to introduce a new innovation on our platform, the Farhat Lectures AI Quiz Assistant, simply known as Farhat.ai. This intelligent tool is designed to support you as you complete your quizzes, whether you are preparing for the CPA exam, CMA exam, college courses, enrolled agent, or just taking some courses for continuous education. The AI assistant will be there. When you are taking a quiz on our website, you will have now access to 3 AI-powered prompts to enhance your learning experience. I'm going to go through them prompt by prompt. Prompt 1, it says, explain the topic. This feature helps you review the concept behind the question before you answer the question. So if you need a quick refresher, click this option and the assistant will summarize the key topic clearly and efficiently as a review before you answer the question. Prompt 2 is explain the correct and incorrect answer. Well, confused by our answer choices? Great. This prompt provides an alternative detailed explanation of why each option is correct or incorrect. How would that? That will help you better understand. You need an alternative second explanation, and it's there. A rationale to answer the question correctly. And this is going to reinforce your learning. The third prompt, which is create a new MCQ. Looking for more practice? This option generates a brand new multiple choice question based on the same MCQ that you just completed, based on the same topic, along with the correct answer. Just be sure to attempt it on your own before viewing the correct solution. And basically, you have unlimited multiple choices in one way or another. But that's not all. Farhat Lectures will be rolling out a brand new product in the next 7 to 10 days. So stay tuned for even more powerful learning experience. So what happens if you're not a member of Farhat Lectures and you're interested in, taking this for a test drive? No worries. This is the perfect time to join us. We have a 2-day free trial. Go in there. When you start the quiz, it's gonna allow you to test the system. So we have a 2-day free trial. Go ahead, take a look at that, take advantage of that. We are here to help you pass your CPA exam, do better in your college courses, make your life easier to reach your professional goals. Let's get started, and I hope to meet you on the website.